you go. Hit it again. Woo. There you go. Big boy status. Big boy status. Come on. Good. Hit again. There you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Don't babysit it. Hit it. Don't babysit it. He's just concentrating on it too, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. That was a good one. There you go. You trying to spin it like Daddy? There. Good job. Yeah. Come on. You can do it. Go ahead and hit it. Come on, Tinker. Oh, you wanted, don't tell me you wanted that. You wanted that hanging on the side of your mouth?